Hold on, thumbs around the bar. Maintaining those hips right on top of those knees. We're going to take the bar straight down until the knuckles are on the mat. Good. Keep the wrist nice and straight. Bring it just a little closer, just a little bit. Good. Stay down, a little bit in. There. Hold. Anchor those shoulders. Push that hip forward and then slowly roll up. And work right to the back. Come up and soften those elbows a little. So you work from the back.
See what I mean?
Good. And push the bar straight down until the knuckles are on the mat. Shift the weight forward. Curl those hips under. There. From there, you're going to pull the bar towards your knees and away from the knees. Pull it towards your knees and away from the knees. Pull. And one more. Pull it into the knees, away from the knees, and slowly roll up. Curl, push the hip forward as you roll up and really anchor. Very nice. And chin to chest, and let's push it down. Press down into the mat. Now pull the bar in towards your knees and away from the knees. And pull it into the knees. Keep the hip forward and pull it into the knees. Soften those elbows and forward and slowly roll up. Curl, lift up, lift up, and up. We're going to do one more. And press down. Lift it down. Anchor those shoulders and pull the bar into the knees as you really anchor to the hip. And push. And good. And pull it in. Pull. And then roll up. Articulate all the way up. Okay. Let's come a little further out. Further back for thigh stretch. Okay. So remember thigh stretch. We're going to move from the thighs, not from the upper body. Keep the hip anchored and then move it from here. Ooh. Go back. Go. And push it up. Good. From here. From the thighs. And you move back. Back, 2, 3. Hip forward. Lift the hip. Good. One more. Take it back. Very nice. And come back up.